Okay, now this is just a game I made up. You have to make the ball land right there. But if it goes right here, you still don't win. If it goes right there, you don't win. It has to go right between those two blocks. And the hard part about this game is it goes slow right there, but then suddenly it goes fast. So it's a really hard game. I'm not a pro. I can never seem to get it in the right place. I know it's not impossible because I've done it before, but it's really hard. And you can fall through those holes right there. So it's harder there also. See, like right there. Could have fell out. I will be making. Well, I think I got it. Yes, see, right there. I got it right there. So that's how you do it. I'm gonna make it harder with like trapdoors. Make it bigger and have to go through all these paths. But at the end, I'm gonna put these two blocks. It's gonna be super fast, and you have to get it right there. Like it's gonna be harder. Like there's gonna be like traps right there. And it's gonna be huge and everything. This is just my simple version of the game when you're in the car and you're just bored. You just play this. It's actually pretty addicting. It looks really boring, but it's pretty fun.